Good morning, student of class 4. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Listen the instruction given by your parents and do study also. Is it clear? Now student, take out your rough copy, take one pen and note down the important points. And if you have any doubt in the video, you are unable to understand anything, then note down, and on the next day you can ask your doubts with me. See, in online meeting, if on any topic many students have doubt, then I explain that topic on the board once again for you. That is the benefit of a online classes. Even I also get the feedback. Child was unable to understand this thing. Okay, let one more time repeat for the student. Okay, that is the reason all the time I speak. Take a rough copy, note down the important points and write your doubts so that you can discuss your doubts with your teacher. Okay student, today date is 10/7/2020. Chapter 9 we have completed. Chapter 9, our earth. So student, in today's video I will discuss some of the topics of chapter 9 with you, and after that we will continue with the new chapter, nature's gift to us. Is it clear? So student, in chapter 9, what little recapitulation of the chapter I will do for you, what things we have studied in that chapter, and then after I will start a new chapter. Chapter 9, what is solar system? I explained you, and after that in this chapter we study that we have how many planets student? We have 8 planets. We have 8 planets in our solar system. And see student, all these planets, they are getting light from the sun. All these planets, they are getting light from the sun. Is it clear? So after completing this chapter, we know we have 8 planets, and what is the position of our planet, that is earth, from the sun, that is third position. Which is the largest planet? That is known as Jupiter. Second largest planet, Saturn. Okay. The planet whose position is first from the sun, that is Mercury. Planet which is furthest, मतलब सबसे दूर कौन planet है? That is Neptune. So all these things we have studied in this chapter. After that, the second topic which we study in this chapter is distance of earth from the sun, and why this distance of earth from the sun is very important. Is it clear? So what we are getting, student, from the sun? We are getting the sunlight, and sunlight is the only source of energy, because we know that green plants prepare their food in the presence of sunlight. So sunlight is the source of energy on our planet, that is earth. Now another topic which we study in this chapter is that many students are asking what is the meaning of the word prevent. Prevent matlab rokna. How the sunlight harming the earth, the light which is coming from the sun. So how this light is harmful for the earth? Because student, in sunlight, ultraviolet rays, they also come in the sunlight, and they are very harmful for us. They are not good for our skin. So to stop this, there is what? We know that atmosphere, a layer of earth which surround the earth, that is atmosphere. So there is ozone layer which stop the harmful rays to enter on the surface of the earth. जो ओजोन लेयर है, जो हार्मफुल रेज हैं सन की, उन्हें क्या कर देती है? स्टॉप कर देती है अर्थ के सरफेस पे आने से. ओके, तो ये हमने पढ़ा. द डिस्टेंस ऑफ सन फ्रॉम द अर्थ इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, because this distance is at a right position. Due to this distance, right distance, life is possible. Is it clear? Because if the sun is very close to the earth, so the temperature of the earth definitely is more. So it becomes difficult to survive in such a high temperature. So earth is at a right distance from the sun. Okay. After that, in this chapter, we discuss the name of the explorer who tell us that the shape of the earth is round. Because in the beginning, people are afraid. They thought that the earth is flat and maybe they will fall. अर्थ क्या है? फ्लैट है, और हो सकता है वो लोग उसके कॉर्नर से गिर जाए. बट द एक्सप्लोरर नेम Ferdinand Magellan, he told that the earth is round. So this we study in this chapter. After that, student, we study rotation of the earth. What is the meaning of this? The spinning of earth on its axis. I am doing the recapitulation of all the chapters, all all the chapter topics which we have studied in this chapter. Then we study Earth. What is rotation? What is rotation of Earth? The spinning of Earth on its axis is known as rotation. This thing we study in this chapter. And what happens with rotation? Day and night are formed. Day and night are formed. And after that, why we say that one day equal to 24 hours? One day equal to 24 hours. The reason is that in 24 hours, Earth spin one time on its axis. So just think about it कि हमारी जो अर्थ है वो कितनी बिग होगी, कितनी ज्यादा बड़ी है. उसे 24 आवर्स लग जाते हैं, ठीक है, टू टेक वन स्पिन और वन राउंड ऑन इट्स एक्सिस, अपने एक्सिस पे. दिस वी स्टडी इन. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी स्टडी रिवॉल्यूशन. Revolution of Earth. Another thing which we will study in this chapter is what is the revolution of Earth. It means the Earth is taking round. It means the Earth is taking round of the sun, and this movement is known as revolution. After that we study how much time the Earth take to complete one round of the sun. So it takes 365 days, 6 hours. Okay, how much time it takes? 365 days and 6 hours. After that we study what happens with the revolution of the Earth. With the revolution of Earth, we have different seasons. It means we study different seasons. Is it clear? And what we study in this chapter? We study at what angle the Earth is tilted. 23.5 degree. Is it clear? And after that, what we study in this chapter? We study if this is a picture of Earth. This is a center line which divides the Earth into two parts, and this center line is known as equator. And above part is known as northern hemisphere, and this part is known as southern hemisphere. And due to this, at the same month, they have different season. Due to this, at the same month, they have different season. So student, and one more thing, what we study in this chapter is that see, this is a sun. So this is the path on which see the path. Sun is in the center, and these are the different positions of our planet Earth from the sun. Okay. So student, these dotted lines are the orbit. What are these? Orbit. This is the definite path, or you can say fixed path, on which the planet take a round of the sun. And when you see this picture, you will observe that when the earth is taking a round, it is not making a circle. It is not making a circle. If you see the shape, what the shape of this orbit path is, just like a slightly oval shape. Which shape? Oval. एग देखा है ना, एग अंडा. हैंड रेस करो, कितने बच्चे एग खाते हो, अंडा खाते हो. तो एग की शेप को ओवल बोला जाता है ना. तो जो पाथ है, ऑर्बिट है जो अर्थ की, इट्स नॉट लाइक ए सर्किल, इट इज स्लाइटली ओवल. Okay, this thing we study. These all are the things which we study in this chapter. One more topic which I cover in this chapter is here. This is an imaginary line. This is North Pole and this is South Pole. This is the part of the earth which receive less sunlight. You are understanding what I am saying? North Pole and South Pole. Here season is mostly cold. ज्यादातर यहाँ क्या होता है, बहुत ठंड होती है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि जो सन की जो रेज हैं. ओके, सो सन की रेज जो नॉर्थ और साउथ पोल्स पे जो है, इट रिसीव लेस सनलाइट. सो द सीजन हियर विच इज मैक्सिमम, दैट इज कोल्ड. That is cold. So student, these all are the things which I have discussed with you in this chapter, and I hope each and every word meaning and all the points you are able to understand in this chapter. One more word which confuse you lot: unique. Earth is known as a unique planet. Some special, unique. Why we say this? This is also a very confusing word for you kids. Many of you have some problem in understanding this. See student, there are 8 planets and only Earth is the planet where life is possible. Because the conditions which are required for the life, air, water, land, soil, all the things that are present on the planet Earth. That is the reason we use a word unique planet for the Earth. So I hope even now you have any problem, you can ask in online doubt session. Okay, now student, let's start new chapter. Chapter number 11, nature's gift to us. chapter 11. See, now student, today date is 10/7/2020 and we start our new chapter. We start our new chapter and name of our chapter is Nature's Gift to Us. See, the name of the planet on which we are living, that is Earth. Okay. Just now when I am doing the recapitulation of chapter number 10, from the same chapter I give you the concept. What are the nature gift to us? From the same chapter, chapter number 10. Okay. Let's understand. For example, this is our planet Earth. So on this planet, what are the gifts are present for us? हमारे लिए क्या क्या गिफ्ट है इस प्लेनेट्स पे? Is it clear? What the nature has given to us? See student, just now I explained you our planet is known as a unique planet. What is the reason? All the conditions which are required for life are all present on the planet Earth. Are all present on the planet Earth. Is it clear? That is the reason life is possible on Earth. Even there are planets which are more larger, जो अर्थ से भी बहुत बड़े हैं. Is it clear? There are, because in 10th chapter I tell you Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. So there are many planets which are more large than Earth. But life is possible only on Earth because the conditions which are required for the life all are present on this unique planet that we say Earth. Now one by one I tell you the gift which you got in this planet. अब मैं simply इस पाई चार्ट को बनाऊंगा. इस पाई चार्ट में लेबल करके एक एक चीज अब आपको मैं एक्सप्लेन करूंगा कि क्या गिफ्ट है. क्योंकि व्हेन द वर्ड गिफ्ट कम तो हमारे दिमाग में यही होता है कि हमारा बर्थडे है या हम अपने रिलेटिव्स के यहाँ गए, कहीं गए, या वो तो चलो दूसरी बात है. स्पेशली बच्चों को यही लगता है बर्थडे में हमारे फ्रेंड्स आएंगे, रिलेटिव्स आएंगे, ऑल द पीपल, मेनी पीपल विल कम इन आवर बर्थडे पार्टी and everyone gives some gift to us. Everyone give some gift to us. ठीक है. So here now one by one I tell you what are the gifts you get from your planet Earth. Okay. Here, see, first gift which I have written air. See student, now just think about it. Is life possible without air? So what the answer come in your mind? A big no. Why? because as a human beings, or let me talk about the animals or plants, if the air is not present on this planet, how we will survive? Because air is very important for our life. We breathe air inside our lungs, inhale and exhale, taking of the air and breathing out the air, inhale and exhale. And which gas we are using at that time? Oxygen is our living gas. Is it clear? Because what is air? Air is a mixture of gases. जैसे वाटर है, वाटर में बहुत सी चीजें मिक्सअप हो जाती हैं, सॉल्युबल हो जाती हैं. सॉल्ट को डालो, चेक करो, मिक्स हो जाएगा. शुगर डालो, with the spoon it will be mixed. So in the air is what? Air is a mixture of gases. Mixture of gases. So ये गिफ्ट आपको किसने दिया? नेचर ने. एयर में हमारी लिविंग गैस क्या है? ऑक्सीजन. एंड वी कांट लिव विदाउट ऑक्सीजन. So it gives you air as a gift. Because plant are totally, human beings are totally depend on plants, and plants are depend upon human beings and animals. Because plants living gas, you can say, without which gas they cannot prepare their own food. That is carbon dioxide. In shortcut I write here CO2, carbon dioxide. Is it clear? In shortcut I have written. So who has given this gift to you? Nature. Air. Air, without air life is not possible, because all the human beings and animal will die. We need air, because air is a mixture of gases, and from this mixture of gases our living gas is oxygen. Is it clear? In the same manner, the gas which is important for or living for the plants, that is carbon dioxide. So student, from where we are getting these gases? From the air. So this is a nature gift to us. And even when you study the chapter, you know, ये तो मैंने तुम लोग को ये बताया कि एयर की कितनी इंपॉर्टेंस है. एयर, पता है बेटा, एयर से विंड मिल्स भी होती हैं. सुना है? बड़ी बड़ी विंड मिल्स होती हैं जहां बहुत तेज हवा चलती है. ठीक है, वहां विंड मिल. जैसे तुम लोग छोटे हो गए तो चरखियां चलाते थे. ठीक है, तो ये जो विंड मिल्स होती हैं ये भी एयर से मूव करती हैं. और जो एयर की जो एनर्जी है, इट इज यूज्ड टू प्रोड्यूस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. Air energy is used to produce electricity. Air means wind. Wind energy is converted into a electrical energy. So, and this is a gift from the nature. This is a gift which we get from the nature. See, air is a mixture of gases and it is present on our planet Earth, and this is a nature's gift to us, because due to this air we are able to survive. Our living gas is oxygen. We need oxygen. Animals also need oxygen. Okay, when I explain you, your ma'am is teaching you, at that time she told you that the living gas which is important for, without which life is not possible, that is oxygen. And plants take which gas? Carbon dioxide, to prepare their food. And even we can convert the wind energy to produce electricity. Okay, thank you student. Do the reading of the previous chapter, and one time you do the reading of chapter number 11 also, so that when I explain, then things आर सिंपल फॉर यू। इज इट क्लियर? टाइम दो बेटा पढ़ाई में। लॉकडाउन कोविड-19 चल रहा है, स्कूल में पढ़ाई नहीं हो पा रही है। सो प्लीज कॉपरेट करो अपने पेरेंट्स के संग भी, और अपना भी ये करो। ऐसा नहीं है पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही है, लेकिन जैसे जैसे आप लोग वीडियोस वॉच कर रहे हो, विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट वीडियो आप लर्न करो। ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट।